Happy Tuesday evening, everyone. I just wanted to show you some of the awesome things that are coming up. These are all radishes. I planted these 3 days ago, and that is how long they took to pop up. There are some French breakfast, some sparkler radishes, and a mix. And then also we've got some spinach coming up over here. And then I planted lettuce, iceberg lettuce, and carrots along this row, and they're not coming up yet. But I wanted to show you this guy. Today we are picking our first bowl of spinach. This spinach survived all through the winter. I planted it in fall and was hoping I could get it a fall harvest of spinach, and it survived all winter long. Same with all of this lettuce right here. This one's Burpee Bib, and that one is prize head lettuce, the red one. But this spinach is ridiculous. Last year when I planted it, it was small. It's a Corenta Hybrid Spinach. The plants all were really small, and they never got like this. I just picked this entire bowl. It's chock full, and I'm washing them off. All you have to do is take them in the house and rinse them with cold water. If you're really worried and paranoid, you might want to soak them with a little bit of vinegar and salt. But other than that, just keep it really natural, organic. I don't spray pesticides on anything. We keep it all organic, but I just wanted to show you how amazing this thing is. I mean, look at that. It's the 1st of May, Cinco de Mayo, and this guy is huge. Like, all summer long, I never got my spinach looking that good, and this is already the beginning of spring. So we've got radishes coming up, and those are my carrots that I'm going to let go to blossom for seeds. And then I can save seeds and have carrots. They look so beautiful too. And bees, by the way, we know we all love bees. Us gardeners, we love our bees. And bees love carrot blossoms. So that's a little Stephanie Blooms update for today. Hoping you guys all have a wonderful week. And I'm saying love you and keep growing strong. We'll see you soon. Bye guys. Love ya.